strong. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path.